after the settlement of a legal back and forth of Lisa Marie Presley's estate. Riley Keough is speaking for the first time about where she stands with her grandmother, Priscilla Presley, now. Speaking on the legal battle that ensued after her mother's sudden death in January, Keough says the family is recovering from the upheaval it created. Keough was named a sole trustee of Lisa Marie's estate and the owner of Graceland, the Memphis estate once home to her grandfather, Elvis, last week in spite of Priscilla's attempt to contest a 2016 announcement that ousted her as one of the trustees. In exchange, Keough, 34, will reportedly pay her grandmother $1 million and cover $400,000 in legal fees. In a recent interview with Vanity Fair, the Daisy Jones and the Six-Star addressed reports that Priscilla may not be allowed to be buried at Graceland someday. "I don't know why she wouldn't be buried at Graceland," says Keough. "I don't understand what the drama in the news was about. Yeah, if she wants to be, of course. Sharing Graceland with the world was her idea from the start." She continued, "I always had positive and beautiful memories and association with Graceland. Now, a lot of my family is buried there, so it's a place of great sadness at this point in my life." Keough also insists that her relationship with her grandmother will not be destroyed by the fraught legal battle. "Things with Grandma will be happy," the mother of one, who introduced her baby girl's name in the same cover story, says. "They've never not been happy. I'm trying to think of a way to answer it that's not a 20-minute conversation," Keough continued. "There was a bit of upheaval, but now everything's going to be how it was. She is a beautiful woman, and she was a huge part of creating my grandfather's legacy and Graceland. It's very important to her. He was the love of her life. Anything that would suggest otherwise in the press makes me sad because, at the end of the day, all she wants is to love and protect Graceland and the Presley family and the legacy. That's her whole life. So it's a big responsibility she has tried to take on. None of that stuff has really ever been a part of our relationship prior. She's just been my grandma." Per Deadline, Priscilla's legal team argued that the 78-year-old former wife of Elvis was only informed of the amendment after her daughter's death. Under the 2016 decision, Lisa Marie excised Priscilla and her former business manager, Barry Siegel, as co-trustees and replaced them with her eldest children Riley and Benjamin Keough, who died in 2020. Riley will also preside over the sub-trusts for her younger half-sisters, twin girls Finley and Harper, who Lisa Marie had with ex-husband Michael Lockwood in 2008. Priscilla will be a special advisor to the trust and receive a monthly payment for her role.